In the previous video, I showed you this bullish pennant, and as you can see, we just got the breakout. However, in ParadiseFamilyVIP, we have not been opening any Bitcoin long positions. In fact, we have been closing some of our long positions on altcoins. In this video, I will share with you exactly why, and we will go through some sentiment and fundamental analysis together with some technical stuff, which will help us to understand the next move of Bitcoin. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Samo from Crypto Paradise, and as you can see, Bitcoin is still at the resistance of the Fibonacci retracement level we have been showing you in the previous video. Right now the bullish price action is slowing down, as you can see right here, and while we are stagnating with the bullish price action, the sentiment of the retail is actually turning bullish. So this is something what we need to be very careful about, because as you can see, the white line, this is the price of Bitcoin. The yellow line, that's the sentiment around crypto, Twitter, Reddit, Bitcoin Told, and the overall sentiment score is going up together with the price stagnating and not making another higher high, as we can see at the sentiment score. This is something we need to be very aware of, because it looks like that some bigger entity is selling here at the resistance to the retail, who is finally getting bullish. So here from the 17,000, they have not been getting bullish. Here everybody was fearful here, right? Because everybody was thinking, oh my god, we are going more down. But then Bitcoin started to getting into this uptrend, and we have been updating you in the previous videos that the uptrend is gonna continue, because the sentiment was decreasing with the price of Bitcoin increasing. However, now it's all turning around. The price of Bitcoin is stagnating, slowing down, and the sentiment score is going up. So it really seems like that some big whales are actually selling into the fear of missing out of the retail. So that's one of the bearish signs we need to be very aware of. The second one is the bearish divergence we are having on the RSI indicator. So the RSI indicator is about 70, so we are overbought, right? Together with bearish divergence, because the RSI is making lower highs after lower highs, as you can see right here, and the price of Bitcoin is making higher highs, as you can see right here. It's in an uptrend and the RSI indicator is in a downtrend. So this is a textbook example of a bearish divergence. As you can see here, the price is making higher highs, and the indicator, in our case RSI, but you can also use MACD, but for this case scenario in RSI, it's pretty visible that we are in an overbought level, plus we have the clear bearish divergence. So on RSI we are making the lower high. So this is another sign, bearish sign, and why we should be very careful here at the resistance. So not only the sentiment at resistance is getting bullish, and we are not seeing that only in the sentiment, we also see that on the funding. So if we take a look at the funding, we can see the ratio between the longs and shorts, and I don't have the graph right here, but most of the people are longing here at the resistance. So again, we need to be very careful about that, because if we make a lower low on the daily time frame, and I will be showing you the uptrend we are in a minute, but right now if we make a lower low below this level, we can actually be during a blow of top situation right here. So as you can see from the beginning, in the local bottom consolidation zone right here, we have been creating some higher highs, right? And we have been going through this little uptrend on a lower time frame. So then we had this surge to the upside, right? Same as it's on here, the media, there was some attention, them enthusiasm, greed, and finally at the top, the people are calling new paradigm, and they are basically starting to get bullish. However, the price is stagnating right here, right? So the sentiment is getting more bullish. However, the price is slowing down. The bullish price action is slowing down, which basically together with the bearish divergence on RSI indicator and the sentiment graph means that probably some higher entities, some whales, some institutions are selling in this bullish fear of missing out sentiment of the retail. So we need to be very careful that this could actually end up as a blow off top. However, we are still in an uptrend. So if we take a look from the bottom, we have been creating higher highs, higher lows, another higher highs, higher lows, and now we are at a higher high, and this is the higher high we have made just recently. So we are in an uptrend because this is a textbook ABC move, right? So we are above the 50 moving average on a daily time frame. We are in an uptrend because we are creating higher highs together with higher lows continuously. So we are in an uptrend. So before we actually close a daily candle below this level right here, below the previous lower low, which is at 22,500. So if we don't close a daily candle below this previous lower low, we are still in an uptrend. And in an uptrend, you are looking for buying the dips and selling the higher highs, right? So you are definitely don't want to be taking any short in an uptrend. So before we close a daily candle below $22,500, we are still having a bullish approach for trading. And this is very important if you want to be trading like a professional and keep being profitable in a long term, not just in a short term. You need to be understanding this kind of basic stuff of when to take shorts and when to take for longs, right? So if we are on higher time frame in an uptrend, the higher probability will be always on the side of long. So in an uptrend, you always look only for long positions. Of course, you can be shorting the highs, right? But the probability of making another high before the dip is much higher in an uptrend. So from a multiple trades like 30, trying to short in an uptrend is actually doesn't have the odds on your side. So you should be avoiding that. Also, there was some kind of strong movement on Wednesday, because we closed the daily candle above our Fibonacci retracement right here. However, we have immediately retraced it down, and it depends really on today's price action. If we are about to close below the Fibonacci retracement, the daily candle, or above. If we close above, it will be very good, and we will switch to a 4-hour time frame, and we will be looking for some buying opportunities. As you can see on 4-hour time frame, we are still above the 50 moving average right here, and we are actually double tapping the 50 moving average with the bullish hammer candle we have created right here just recently. This could be a great double bottom situation on a lower time frame, and if we close another daily candle above this Fibonacci retracement, we will definitely be looking at lower time frame buying volume, and we will be riding a very nice risk to reward trade up to the local top at 25,200, which we have been showing you in the videos before. So before some higher retracement, we still think that the local top is going to be double touched. All right. However, we are being very careful about opening any new long positions right here at this situation because of the sentiment and the bearish stuff we have been showing you earlier. So this is right now no trading zone. We are not opening any trades because the probabilities are not in favor bulls, neither the bears right here, but it can very rapidly change. And in Paradise Family VIP, the Paradise team is watching the price action of Bitcoin 24/7, and we are ready to start trading the Bitcoin aggressively. So if we start to see some bullish price action going on above the Fibonacci retracement right here, we will definitely be riding long positions into the local top. So if you are ready to start trading like a professional with us, I will see you in Paradise Family VIP right after watching this video. You have a link on our website and to our free Telegram channels in the description of this video. So it's up to you. If you want to immediately start trading with us, you can join the Paradise Family VIP. If you want to just get some more knowledge, you can join our free Telegram channels. Links are in the description, and you will find all of the links on our website mycryptoparadise.com. If you enjoyed this video and finished watching until now, you can really clap yourself because it means that you take trading seriously. So smash the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.